Used to get my head done, used to have my nails long, used to wearing makeup every day. Used to
So we are currently walking up to the top of the mountain. As you can see, we're really high. You can see the clouds really well, and just climbing a little bit higher to see the shrine. And yeah.
So let's just keep it simple. There's so much we can do at home. Build a fort in the living room, have a pillow fight, grilled cheese in our bed, and then look at stars and eyes. Keep it simple. Disconnect the telephone, rip up all the calendars, cancel every plan, catch up on The Bachelor. We'll still laugh again the day we kept it simple. Always used to worry, always in a hurry. Little left the minutes just fly by. Focus on the wrong things, double tapping, scrolling. Fall asleep while asking myself why. Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town. Home with the family, on new reality. Four walls and a door, nothing's like before. You and me and no distractions. So let's just keep it simple. There's so much we can do at home. Build a fort in the living room, have a pillow fight, grilled cheese in our bed, and look at stars and eyes. Keep it simple. Disconnect the telephone, rip up all the calendars, cancel every plan, catch up on The Bachelor. We'll still laugh again the day we kept it simple. Let's just keep it. I wanna keep it. Yeah, let's just keep it simple. Like simple. There's so much we can do at home. Build a fort in the living room, have a pillow fight, grilled cheese in our bed, and look at stars at night. Let's keep it simple. Disconnect the telephone, rip up all the calendars, cancel every plan, catch up on The Bachelor. We'll still laugh again. Let's just keep it. I wanna keep it. Yeah, let's just keep it simple.
Okay, so we arrived at the waterfall that we wanted to go, but like it was a wild ride.
Keep it. Yeah, let's just keep it simple.
It was really wild to get here, and we kind of expected something else but yeah, let's go and let's see how it is.
Full highways. Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town. Home with the family, all new reality. Four walls and a door, nothing's like but.